Here's how you can create winning video ads 4 times faster without having to slack your video editor. I got 3 massive updates to share with you. So before we get started, I just wanted to set some context. I was previously in growth and creative strategy at Calm and Cash App. Now I'm bootstrapping a platform to create performance video ad variations at scale. So more context, how are performance video ads created? So here are the general building blocks that you'll encounter when creating video ads. You always start with a hook, you always have a body in the middle, and you always end with a call to action. And hooks could be a visual metaphor of the problem. Visually, it could be an unboxing, or it could be an oddly satisfying visual. The body, you can have any visual sequence. Generally, you want to follow some sort of script framework, whether it's a problem agitate solution or unique mechanism or educational script, or even my favorite listicle, 3 reasons why script. And generally, you want to end with a call to action like shop now, download now, try for free. So generally, these are how video ads are structured. And what Sovran does is it helps you mix and match all the different combinations of hooks, bodies, and call to actions. So what are the 3 new features? Number 1, you get unlimited building block selection. So if we go back to this visual here, you can select an unlimited amount of hooks, an unlimited amount of body videos, and an unlimited amount of call to actions to stitch together. So what you can do, for example, is you can select 20 hooks, 10 body videos, that'll be 200 variations, and you can even select, let's say, 2 or 3 different call to actions, and that'll be 400 to 600 video ad variations. Not advising you to do that because you need a lot of budget to test all that, but that's what's possible now. Number 2, projects. So if you're a performance creative agency, which I used to run a performance creative agency, or if you're an in-house team, you can create a new project for different ad concepts. Maybe you want to put assets in a project that's separate for new creators or creative testing grounds, or if you're an agency, you might want projects to house different assets for different clients. And now, number 3, you can bulk add text to visual hooks. So visual hooks, if we go back to this visual, they're generally 3 seconds long, and you can upload, let's say, 20 raw visual hooks and apply a text overlay on top of it. So the text overlay could be something like 3 reasons why you can't sleep, or did you know you needed this to lose 20 pounds? Just examples off the top of my head. But you can apply those text hooks onto visual hooks in bulk, and then you can go back and stitch those new hooks into your body videos. And why would you want to do that? It's so you do a lot of experimentation on the optimal order of your hooks, body videos, what it should say, and ideally you should be measuring your hook rate, which you've probably seen all throughout social media, which is a 3-second video view divided by impression. You want to be measuring your hold rate, which is on Meta, through plays divided by impressions, which measures how many people watch past 15 seconds of your video ad. So those are some of the metrics that you should be looking at, besides obviously CPA. So without further ado, let me show you what the platform looks like. So once you get in, this is your project dashboard. So essentially you can name them however you like, based on client name or creator name or video ad concept name or creative round name. And I'm just going to go into this project. These are final video ads, which I won't go into much now, but you want to create video ads, and you have to obviously upload all your clips, and you can upload up to 20 clips at a time, and you can select up to 10 different hooks to stitch together, up to 20 body video, up to however many body videos you want to stitch together. It's unlimited now. Call to action videos are optional. You can add audio to each of the variations, and coming very soon is the ability to make audio or music a variation as well. And finally, you can choose your aspect ratio. So 1:1, 4:5, 9:16, 16:9. When you hit next, you'll see all the different clips modules or building blocks you're going to mix and match together, the number of combinations you're going to make, the number of credits that you're going to take to create these. I have God mode on, so I have unlimited credits. But when you hit get variants, then within a minute or two, you will have all your video ad variations created, and they will come with an automatic naming convention. Right now, it's hook name underscore body name underscore call to action name underscore audio file name, and then the aspect ratio. You can also disable the custom naming convention, and you can add your own naming convention to each video ad. So essentially, you can enable or disable this, and then you can enter your own file name, and then you can download. Now, the last feature is the ability to add copy to your visual hooks. So you can upload up to 20 visual hooks here, customize the copy. Again, I mentioned something like 3 reasons why, or did you know, or this made me blah, blah, blah. Whatever you want to test, you can add the copy here, choose your font, edit your size. You can even position the text however you like based on whether or not it's blocking any important visuals, or if you're creating a 9:16, you want to make sure that your text is in the safe zone. You can add a background color, add a border, radius, make the size bigger, for example. I'm going to turn the shadow off, and position it how you like. And when you hit get next, then that text overlay will get applied to all your visual hooks that you've uploaded. And then what you can do is you can go back to projects, go back to create video ads, go back to the asset selection screen, and then you can test those 20 brand new hooks and test them with some of your winning body videos, or you can test them with new body videos. Again, that'll be up to you and based on what metrics you're seeing. So I hope that should cover most of it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. You have a 7-day free trial of Sovran, so you can test and create video ads and see how easy it is for you. One customer created 1,600 video ad variations last quarter, and they timed themselves. What took their designer 1 hour to create now takes them about 10 to 15 minutes using Sovran. So it's saving a lot of time, and I hope it saves you a lot of time too. Thank you.